In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your PayPal account on the app. Before we begin, a quick heads up, deleting your PayPal account is permanent. Once it's gone, you can't recover it and your history won't be accessible. So if you need records for your taxes or personal tracking, consider downloading your statements first. Also, make sure you've handled any open issues on your account because PayPal won't let you close it if there are problems pending. Start by opening the PayPal app on your phone and logging in. This process is the same on both iPhone and Android. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. That opens your account settings, which is where we'll find the option to close your account. Next, select Account Info. In this section, you should see an option labeled Close Your Account. If you don't see it right away, tap Data and Privacy first, then look for Close Your Account there. PayPal sometimes nests it under privacy controls depending on the version of the app or your region. When you tap Close Your Account, PayPal will show you information about what happens when you close it. Take a moment to review this carefully. This page usually explains the implications, like losing access to your account, any unused rewards, and your transaction history. Make sure this is what you want. If everything looks good, tap Continue. From here, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and close your account. PayPal may ask you to verify your identity or acknowledge a few final notices. If you run into a message about issues that need attention first, that means there's something to resolve before you can proceed. A few important notes before you finalize. Your PayPal balance must be zero. If you still have money in the account, move it out or spend it so the balance is cleared. Resolve any pending transactions, disputes, chargebacks, or account limitations. Those will block deletion until they're closed. It's also a good idea to make sure you don't have any active subscriptions or automatic payments tied to PayPal, as those can cause problems later. And once deleted, your account cannot be recovered. If you change your mind in the future, you'll need to create a new account from scratch. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.